Boom! Psych, I didn't get you.
I'm not scary.
But yeah, you should be. Welcome back to another video straight into content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And we are here today, guys. As you can see, we got the kukuis and the scary music playing and stuff like that. And we are here, guys. We apologize for taking so long to make a video. It's been a very long time before you guys have seen Shelly and I on camera, even though the last video we were in the store, right?
Last Thursday, our last live.
Yep. The last Thursday.
That was fun. If you haven't had a chance to look at our last live, please go take a look. We did a field trip live. We went out in the field and we went to A2Z and Aviva and kind of just showed you guys live in effect, what they have to offer, prices, different selections, and don't forget.
What?
We were recognized.
Oh, yeah.
In the store. We were recognized. This girl was like, hey, I know you. I know y'all from YouTube. Yep. She recognized Carl Straight Outta Content logo. So shout out to her. We appreciate that. That was just kind of a cool moment for us because, you know, we are really grinding out here and really doing our due diligence to put a lot of content out. So it's cool to get that recognition.
Yeah. So in today's video, but definitely... But with that, yeah, we gotta hit him back up. That was a very important video.
Oh, yeah.
But outside of that, guys, today, so we are here. You want to bring over the gang sheet? Because this is actually one of the pre-made gang sheets that we have available. This is one. I think we have like 5.
A through G.
A through G. So how many letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7. Oh my God.
Not about questioning that thing.
Anyway, wow. So
I can hold this.
This is just one of the 7 gang sheets, pre-made gang sheets that we have on the website for $15, guys.
$15.
$15. So you can go on the website right now. If you notice, I redid. That's what we've been doing behind the scenes. If you guys notice, we haven't made a lot of videos because we've been busting our butt to change the entire website. So if you go to the website, you will notice it's fully Halloweened out. Spooky. I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays of all time. So I decided to kind of change the website with new logos. You guys will even notice, whenever you order a transfer, you'll even notice the new stickers and what are they called? Instruction stickers.
Oh, yeah.
Scary inspired instruction stickers that Shelly created. And we can put this down for now.
Oh, and Flash has a new logo too.
Yes.
We have a new Halloween logo. So we are printing some of those up, and you can also check on our website on our little flyers, the scary logos on there.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So yeah, each flyer for the new, I changed everything. But the biggest thing that we want to talk about in this video was those pre-made gang sheets. So of course, every season we're gonna always have, so Thanksgiving's coming up, we're gonna have pre-made gang sheets for Thanksgiving. We're not gonna get rid of the Halloween gang sheets. We're just gonna move them down and then just put the Thanksgiving ones up top and then put the Christmas ones up top and then put the Valentine's Day. So every...
Oh, the pre-mades?
Yes, all the pre-mades.
All year.
Yes, and it will always be $15 moving forward. So we just want to introduce that to you guys. We know last thing that we introduced was the bundles.
I think our business bundles.
Our business bundles, some with a heat press, some without. And then the next thing that Shelly came up with was like, listen, hey, why don't we go into our computer, create a bunch of gang sheets? Because we actually just had a guy who's seen this one from a video that I made and he wanted that exact gang sheet. So we sent it to him.
I was like, of course you could have this pre-made gang sheet. And then it hit a light bulb and I was like, you know what? I bet a lot of other people would like pre-made gang sheets. And all of the images that we use are the free stock images that we also provide on our website. So I just took a lot of free stock images, created a whole bunch of gang sheets to save you time and save you money because they're only $15 plus tax and shipping, but it's $5 cheaper, actually $6 because it's not a $99. It's actually just $15.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So it is $15 cheap.
Yeah.
And I have created them to at least have 4 adult size images and then pocket size images or youth images on there as well. On those as well. So with every sheet, $15, you can make at least 4, 5, 6 shirts. So beautiful. Look at this. So this is 4 large adult images, and then we were able to fit these on here, which also could be adult images as well. These
adult
sizes as well.
Yeah.
So these are standard, probably about 10 width, but $15, you can't beat that. You can make how many shirts out of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts out of this for $15. And it's already made, it's already vectored, everything is ready to go. So it just saves you time and money. And then profit comes your way.
Yeah, and that's the reason why because what somebody might say is, hey, well, if we can download the images for free and make our own gang sheet, why wouldn't you charge us $15 for that? Well, because it's already pre-made, pre-packaged. Mm-hmm. So if you're gonna go off and do that yourself, that's gonna take time versus coming to the website, click buy, boom, send. We just print, it's already ready there. There's no going back and forth or resizing an image or accepting, or there's no proof checking or anything like that. When you purchase these, you already know, hey, listen, they come at this size, adult size, all the description. The description is there for each pre-made gang sheet. So that's the reason why these ones are specifically, and all pre-made gang sheets will be $15 specifically, because there's no alterations to them. If you want an alteration, then you're going into a custom.
For sure.
Into a custom sheet. So that's the reason why these are, and the shipping's cheaper too. It's $10 per order, just so we can just streamline it. So you can just click, add as many as you want. Boom, $10 for the order, shipped to you, stuff like that. If you want anything else or different images, or you want to create your own gang sheet, please, we definitely will continue to offer those images. I think in the next video, we want to touch on all the breast cancer awareness. I think now that we're in that month, right?
Yeah. And you can go, we do have those free stock images for breast cancer awareness. I guess I can make some pre-made for that as well.
Of course, yeah.
And throw them on there.
Yeah, definitely.
I did think about doing that, but I got so wrapped up in this Halloween spirit. Yeah. I was like, we got so wrapped up in it. So yeah, we'll have some pre-made Breast Cancer Awareness Month sheets as well. So you can just save time and save money.
Yeah. Yep, guys. So we just want to make this quick video. As you guys can see, you can go right now. You can go to the website, go down, look through the whole website. You're going to scroll down, look at all the different, it's all the same options, the 1999, 22 by 24 direct-to-film gang sheets, the sublimation gang sheets. We still have the buy 10, get 2 free. We still have the buy 5, get 1 free. All of that is still there. And then if you continue to scroll down the website, you will see all of the pre-made gang sheets. It's all right there on the first page. And then also, if you're on a phone or if you're on a computer, you're gonna hit either the 3 lines or you're gonna hit more, and you're gonna go over to pre-made gang sheets, and you will also see them there. And again, it's very simple. You just click, purchase. You don't have to email us anything, nothing. You just purchase, and then send us your address and stuff. Your address will be in there. Yeah, your address will be in there. So we're almost gonna have to get kind of used to that, because we're so used to collecting information from email. Once you purchase, make sure that you put your address in there, the correct address, whatever, you know what I mean? And then, but we're gonna reach out to you anyway.
Yeah, we will always send you a preview to print for approval before printing.
Yeah, always. Yep.
But guaranteed high resolution images, guaranteed size correctly, guaranteed quality. So we're really excited about that.
Yep, guys. So go use these pre-made gang sheets. They're $15. All pre-made gang sheets moving forward for all the holidays and like special event things will always be $15. So this is just another price benefit, price break that we're giving to you. We're always, like Walmart says, rolling back prices or something. We're always passing the financial benefits on to you guys. So if you go check out our other video where we had the shirts and you can purchase your Gildans for $2.60, go check out that video, because we walk through the whole Aviva store and go through the $269 Gildan shirts, the $368 shirts, and how much they break down. And you guys can purchase these pre-made gang sheets. You're gonna get, on this one, you're gonna get 7 images. Some of them you might get more or whatever. Boom, you know that you can make 7 shirts from that sheet.
For $15.
For $15.
That's crazy.
Yeah, $15 for a sheet. Of course, shipping and handling and stuff like that. But to your door, I think it's gonna be what, around after taxes, like 25, give or take. But that's only because of the $10 shipping. So if you get 3 sheets, you're only paying $10 shipping.
For sure.
Right, so get 3, 4, or 5 $15 sheets. You're only paying $10 shipping. Boom, shipped to your door. You cut out. You start pressing start selling scary shirts, guys, especially with the Michael Myers and that movie coming up. Why not get ahead of the game and start really killing it? And just let us know if you guys want any other pre-made shirts. You know what I mean? Like if there are any other images, we're gonna do the breast cancer awareness one. But if there's any other images where we should make pre-made gang sheets, just let us know.
Yeah, we're always open to things like that. With that being said, I wanted to send a special shout out. We had 2 people make review videos for us this week or last week. Shout out to T-shirt Crusades.
Yes.
Crusades.
Crusade.
Crusades.
T-shirt Crusaders.
Crusaders.
What?
What? T-shirt Crusaders. Carl made a video recognizing him and shouting him out, but we did not make one for Rochelle's creation. She did so well. She's 14 years old. She started her own clothing line or custom apparel business, sorry. And she says that our company has really helped her business grow. So if you guys can go subscribe to her channel, Rochelle's Creation on YouTube. She only has 73 subscribers right now. So let's try to get her to at least 100 subscribers so she can get monetized and get that monetization on there. So we did reply back to her. So shout out to Rochelle. Thank you so much. We appreciate your amazing review. She also did a stretch test. And stretch tests are killing it. So we encourage you to do a stretch test. You can tag us. We'll repost you, everything. I want to see everyone's stretch tests out there because we're the world's strongest transfer.
Yeah, definitely. Now, you got to say this.
Gracias para todo.
No, say thank you to a girl.
Gracias. I just said.
That's it to her? That's all you're going to say?
I said thank you for everything.
Oh, what about her YouTube will also be in the link in the description down below. So you guys
Rochelle's Creation.
Yep, you guys can go subscribe to her because the young group is really inspired.
Yeah, I'm just so proud of her for taking the time. Very professional, very informative. She took it very seriously.
Yeah.
And she was proud to make this video for us. It was just really inspiring to watch her. I'm like, she really did a good job.
Yeah.
She really did. So we appreciate, keep up the good work, Rochelle. We appreciate you. If you need anything, just reach out to us. We got you.
Definitely. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for all the other videos that we got coming. Definitely the stretch test video is going to be a separate video because we really want you guys to
submit your stretch test.
Submit your stretch test. We're going to fix that. All right, guys. So that'll be it for this video. Anything else you want to say?
I think we touched on everything.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Be basic. Peace.
Okay, so hola para todos mis mexicanos y todo de habla español. Tenemos la DTF Transfers para $15. No más $15. Tengo
Cucoy.
Tengo Michael Myers. This is only Michael Myers.
No, we got Beetlejuice and the friends right here.
Okay, this is mainly Michael Myers.
Yes.
Tengo Miguel Myers.
But we have more. We have Jason.
Sí, tengo tenemos cuarto adult images para each sheet y tengo chiquito images también. No más $15 con tax and shipping. También. Tengo todas las pre-made sheets on our website, flashcustomtransfers.com. Tengo 6 pre-made sheets. This is one of them. Yo tengo 6 different ones. How do you say different?
It's siete. It ain't
it's 7?
It's siete. Oh my God, we did it.
Sorry, tengo 7.
That's so funny.
Tengo 7 pre-made sheets para cucoys, para la Halloween cucoys. $15. Visit our website, flashcustomtransfers.com. Gracias para todo. ¿Tienes preguntas? Email me at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com and yo puedo ayudar. Y es todo. Gracias para todo. Viva la raza.
Viva la raza. Why you smash my paper? All right.
Es todo. Gracias.
Adios.
Don't come for me for my español.
Peace.
Speak español poquito.